Hey, we know you're a proud owner of an 02 to 07 Dodge with the bolted-in tie-downs, and now you're a proud owner of a DualLiner. We're going to show you how to do the installation. You just need a couple of simple tools. You're going to need some kind of alignment tool. A Phillips head screwdriver works great. A T40 Torx head bit, also known as a star bit, and a T30. Let's get started. First, we're going to remove all 4 tie-downs. Use your T40 bit. You can either use it in a ratchet or in a cordless power tool. There's 4 easy steps to installing your DualLiner. The first thing out of the box is the load guard at the front of the bed. It just snaps in place. Step 2 is to install the custom fitted sidewalls. Then use your Phillips head as an alignment tool and insert the bottom push pin. And then the top. And now reinstall your tie-downs using your T40 bit. After the rear tie-down, repeat this for the other sidewall. Step 3 is to unroll the ZeroSkid floor. Here's the patented dual technology. The ZeroSkid floor mat locks into the hard sidewalls for dent protection. Notice the 3/8 inch thick ZeroSkid mat and how it simply locks into the channel on the sidewall. Because the ZeroSkid mat is rolled for shipping, it sometimes takes a couple of days of sunshine to relax any wrinkles. Step 4 is the tailgate panel. There's 10 bolts in the tailgate. You're going to leave 2 in, this one and this one. Use 1 spacer from the installation kit on each of the bolts as you reinstall them. Here's a tip for you. Use hand tools to tighten up the bolts in the tailgate, because if you use power tools, you might well strip the holes in the tailgate itself. That's it. Just 4 easy steps, and you have the world's only real truck bed protection system. Be sure you jump out to the website, DualLiner.com, and fill in your warranty registration form. The real lifetime warranty is there for your protection. Hey, now that you've seen how great DualLiner is, share this video with a friend so they can own the only bed liner that works.